Our purpose is to inform our people that we had already our findings and recommendations on how we should deal with the problems involving the most anomalous and the most scandalous corruption in this country, which started with the 2025 mangled budget. Kasi hindi naman sila gumagawa ng report eh. You remember Senator Ping promised that he will issue or submit a partial report before the December break. At sinisisi niya yung kanyang mga tauhan. Sabi niya, mahihina yung mga tauhan ko eh. Sabi nila, it's already being drafted. Nung tanongin ko, nakatingin sila sa akin, at tangu-tangu lang. So when can the Filipino people await really the submission of a final report? Kasi ang mga tao, they're agitated, they're frustrated. Galit na galit ang mga tao, ninakaw. Nilang ninakaw, nilimas ang kaban ng bayan eh. So ang purpose namin dito, one, siguro to encourage naman the Blue Ribbon Committee, mag-submit na kayo kahit partial report lang, di ba? Para sa tao. Ang tingnan natin dito yung kapakanan ng tao, hindi yung sasabihin nila we departed from the rules. Bakit? Masama bang mag-submit ng minority report in the history of the Senate? Karaniwang nagbibigay ng minority report kahit na wala pa yung majority report. Kaya namin ginawa to because hindi namin alam kung kailan sila gagawa ng report. Sa kanya, if it belongs to the Truscan, nakalimutan niya siguro, di man lang niya binasa yung report. How can you even make a judgment like that? Yung tatlong hearings ko, nung ako pa ang chairman, kasama yung tatlong hearings na kanyang ginawa, pinagsama ko yun eh.